everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to find Facebook friend on TikTok. So to begin the process, open the TikTok application. Once you're at the home page of TikTok, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on the friend option just beside the home. Tap on friend. Once you do that, you will have this option pop out, and here you can already see the option connect with Facebook friend. Then you just tap on connect with Facebook friend. This is only possible if you have linked your Facebook account with the TikTok account of yours, or if you have created your TikTok account with the Facebook account. Here you just tap on OK and you will be able to add your Facebook friend to your TikTok account. If you linked your Facebook with the TikTok account, it will be a very easy option for you to find friend from Facebook to TikTok, and you will be easily be able to add them as your friend in TikTok as well. The best option for this is first you connect your TikTok account with your Facebook account, and then you will be able to add all of them. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.